You know, we often take things for granted, and clean, pure water has to be one of the biggest ones. So today, we're going to pull back the curtain and look at the incredible technology that makes it all possible, focusing on a company that's a real powerhouse in the field, Deng. I mean, think about it. You turn on the tap and boom, there it is. But have you ever stopped to wonder what it really takes to get that single, pure drop of water to you? Well, it's not magic, let me tell you. It's some seriously impressive engineering. And a lot of that engineering starts right here, with precision-built parts just like this high-performance pump. This little machine is basically the heart of modern water treatment, and making them is a specialty of the company we're talking about today, Deng Yuan Industrial. So let's talk about Deng Yuan. These guys have been leaders in this field for decades, and they didn't just appear overnight. They started with motor assembly and, over the years, grew into a major manufacturer of all the critical parts, from powerful booster pumps to those super sophisticated reverse osmosis, or RO systems, that literally purify water molecule by molecule. So, how do you become a name that people around the world trust in an industry this important? Well, for Deng Yuan, it really comes down to an obsession with quality and a long history of innovation, all proven by some of the toughest international standards out there. And you can actually see that commitment over time. This isn't just a list of dates, it's a story of constant improvement. First, they achieved the big ISO certification back in 2005. Then they upgraded in 2010, and then in 2013, they earned the US NSF International certification, which is a huge deal and shows they're serious about meeting global quality and safety standards. And all that hard work, well, it gets noticed. We're talking top honors from some of the most prestigious invention exhibitions on the planet. Winning a gold medal at the Geneva exhibition, I mean, that's not just a pat on the back. That's the world basically saying, wow, you guys really know what you're doing. And at the heart of everything they do is this really simple but super powerful philosophy. It guides everything from their product design to their customer service. Always deliver the highest quality and always put the customer first. Okay, so when you have that solid foundation of quality, what do? You build on it. And that's exactly what Deng Yuan did, creating an incredible range of products for just about any water treatment needs you can possibly imagine, whether it's for your house, a small business, or a massive industrial factory. And the scale of what they do is just amazing. On one hand, you've got these sleek, compact purifiers designed to fit right under your kitchen sink. And on the other, you have these absolute beasts, industrial pumps built to handle huge volumes of water. It just goes to show how they apply that same commitment to quality to everything, big or small. And get this, their expertise goes way beyond just drinking water. Here, we have a super advanced RO water purifier right next to a high-tech fog machine. What does that tell you? It shows they're masters of fluid dynamics, and they can apply that know-how to everything from making sure your water is pure to literally controlling the atmosphere in a room. So their catalog is just packed. You've got your booster pumps, which are the engines that drive everything. You've got water purifiers and dispensers, of course, but then there are commercial RO systems, ozone generators for sterilization, industrial filtration. They even do custom OEM solutions, which means they build parts for other big companies. They've really got the whole water tech world covered. All right, so you've got top-notch quality and a massive product line. What comes next? Well, you go global. So it's no surprise at all that Deng Yuan's influence reaches far, far beyond their home base. They've built a truly global network of clients and partners who trust their tech. And I mean, they are everywhere. They ship to every single continent, from North and South America all the way to Europe, Asia, and down to Oceania. Their products are hard at work. That kind of global footprint is something you have to earn, and it speaks volumes about the trust people have in their engineering. Now, as we're getting ready to wrap up, and with the holiday season on its way, the folks at Deng Yuan wanted to share a special message with all of their partners, their customers, and, well, all of you watching around the world. So, from the entire team at Deng Yuan Industrial, they want to wish you and your loved ones a very prosperous, healthy, and happy 2026 Lunar New Year. And just a quick heads up for everyone, they're going to be taking a well-deserved break to celebrate. Their offices will be closed for the New Year holiday from February 14th all the way through February 22nd, 2026. But don't you worry, the whole team looks forward to serving you again right after the break. So the next time you pour yourself a glass of pure, clean water, maybe I'll think about the incredible engineering and the unwavering commitment to quality that makes it all possible. It really makes you wonder, what other invisible technologies are essential to our daily lives? That's a good thought to leave you with. Thanks so much for watching.